Hi food lovers! I'm Sarah and today we're going to poach a McFarland pheasant. Season your pheasant liberally the day before you plan to cook it. Use salt and pepper and any other seasonings you're feeling like eating tomorrow. This is a good practice with any meat. Gather the ingredients for your broth. I'm using a chopped onion, a carrot, celery, a whole head of garlic that I cut in half, and a lemon. You can add aromatics, thyme, bay leaves, parsley stems, whatever's lying around in your fridge or cupboards. Place your pheasant and vegetables in a stock pot and cover it with cold water. Bring the water to a simmer and allow to cook gently for 20 to 30 minutes. While it's simmering, some scum will appear at the top. Scoop that off and throw it away. When the pheasant is cooked through, we'll pull it out of the pot and place it in a pan to cool down a little bit. I like to take the skin off the pheasant first so I can fry it up for a crispy little treat. To cut the pheasant up, first cut from the front of the chest down the ribs to take the breast off. Then either cut or pull the legs and wings from the back of the bird. I always save all of the bones to make a stock later. I'm making a pasta and cream sauce to go with my pheasant breast today, and I'll strain off the stock we made today to use in a soup tomorrow with the leg and wing meat. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!